What is up, my dudes and the one girl who wants to see me go behind enemy lines? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Yeah, entertainment. Come see it. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon links down below that also go to a good cause, there is a link explaining all of it. So check it out. All right, so today we are heading down to Jersey, the dark, the dingy, the desolate, the stinky. I don't know, pick some other adjectives that are insults and just, like, I don't know, plug them in there. It would be cool. But yeah, so I've been driving since 3 a.m. I did not have my cameras on because, well, that is pitch black and all you see is pitch black, not very entertaining. Now, I'm on the Connecticut-New York border. I stopped to grab some coffee, stretch the legs, grab some gas. So I figured this was a good time to set up the GoPros and just kind of say hello. So we are actually heading to the New Jersey Renaissance Faire first and foremost. There's going to be a couple other things that I'm looking to do today. We'll see how the day turns out. But for now, we are heading on down to the New Jersey Renaissance Faire to kick off the season of popping up in very random, like, Renaissance fairs to yell Slayer at Jacques Ze Whipper and, I don't know, just kind of throw him off his game. Honestly, this is something that I've been doing with Jacques Ze Whipper for probably about, God, it's like 6 or 7, maybe even more years now. He started going to King Richard's Fair. He has a whole whip performance there. He's done quite well for himself. He actually ended up on America's Got Talent. In case you watched that show, I don't know. But that helped him take off even more. And he's really utilized, like, the whole TikTok thing and, you know, just social media in general, especially in 2020 when you just had a lot of free time because, well, you weren't out doing anything fun. So he's definitely blown up. But it's still kind of cool to pop up random places that are not King Richard's Fair where he would expect me to be because, well, we're both from Massachusetts. Well, yeah, last year it was Maryland, this year it's New Jersey, who knows where else, I don't know, but let's get to it. Here we are, from garbage roads to, well, garbage. Hey, New Jersey, I know you call yourselves the Garden State, but let me let you in on a secret. Just because you can grow your landfills at exponential rates does not make them a garden. What does the motorcycle say? All right, we're almost at our destination. We're down in dirty Jersey. Oh man, all jokes aside, I do like Jersey. I have a lot of fun when I come down here. I used to do a lot of Spartan races down here at one of the ski hills, and like coming in through, riding through, all that stuff. It's always good. So yeah, it's cool to be down here. But no, dirty Jersey, you guys are scum. This is not a well-marked Renaissance Fair. This is like a county fair. I don't know what's going on here. Whatever. We'll figure it out. We're here. Alright, so we have arrived. Not very good signage, let me tell you. And it's right next to like a farmer's market. So I saw a bunch of tractors and stuff here, and I thought that this was a continuation of the farmer's market. I was wrong. Whatever. Let's go check it out. See, literally everyone hates New Jersey.
Indeed. No.
Kid behind me in line sounded like he was trying to be like all the characters of the Big Bang Theory wrapped up together. But you know the drill. Let's go find some beer. Victory. All right, let's go figure out a schedule. Even the foam insulation is royal here. So I like that it's dog friendly here. I hate that it's at a fairground. It kind of ruins the illusion. I mean, granted, none of these are really fully like immersive and stuff, but you know, when you've got giant grandstands and stuff, kind of kills it for you. Let's see if I can try my medieval empanada without spilling my beer. See the other thing, aside from King Richard's Fair, I've never been to a medieval fair that has like kettle corn. Seriously guys, get on this. Kettle corn's the greatest thing on earth.
Bodie, I'm a boy and I brought 2 whips and I brought 'em out here to do some tricks. They tell me not to sing, but that's my thing. So everybody, let's get to the whipping, singing we will whip you. Audience, sing it. We will whip you. Voice is still a little rough from last weekend. The wind here is just brutal. But audience, who's got a musical request? Who's got one?
Slayer!
Hold up a minute. All right. You. Did you drive down from Massachusetts this morning again?
3 a.m.
3 a.m. You got on your motorcycle and you rode all the way down?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. And I'm so disappointed. You came down here just to request Slayer, which you have been doing at my shows for nigh on 10 years. He just shows up to request Slayer, and then like once every now and then, he just decides to like throw it off and request what? Let It Go?
Don't forget Cameo.
Don't forget Cameo. Yeah, and he like keeps requesting cameos. I'm on Cameo.com, by the way.
You're welcome.
Where he's like, Slayer, but in Louisiana.
It's what you deserve.
I don't know if you could understand a single thing of that, but that's what you get, Ben. Cheers.
Slayer, but in the snow.
I smell of the French early and late. I will win. actually really true. She's right here. She just got back from a chiropractic. Good to see you, Ben. I'm really sad I had to sell my motorcycle a few months ago, but, you know, cheers. I can't turn off my gloves on.
What were the other ones? I forgot.
Florida?
I don't think you did Florida. I think you missed it. But now we're here in Jersey, so we got to do it in Jersey. All right. All right. I don't remember the one that I did in the snow for you, so I'm going to do Repentless again because that's the one that I vaguely remember. Does anyone? All right. Raise your hands if you know Slayer's Repentless. 5 people. Cool. So then when I screw it up, it's not going to matter. Take a breath. On the stage. I'm the Julie Bear. I'm trying to do it. I have to make it here with ass. And hard. Pull me up the ass. Whip it hard. Now get on your bike and go back to Boston. I know that's what you're going to do. Hang on. Oh, my God. All right, hold on. I was not ready for that to be the first song of the day. Okay.
You can do it!
God, hang on, wait. The stage! The stage! The stage is on fire! Don't keep singing. I remember what's next in that one. That's all. All right, hang on, audience. We got to step this up a notch. We got to make this a little more dangerous. Let's do the crack, the snip, the... Up next, even more dangerous, the crack, the rip, the chip. And the toast, wait for it.
Alright guys, the Renaissance Fair is in the rear view mirror. But that's not the end of this trip, but it will be the end of this video. So make sure you come back for the next one. Before we go though, what do you think about Jacques Ze Whipper? Seriously, if you've never checked him out before, he's all over YouTube. Definitely check it out. Like I said before, he's been on America's Got Talent. He does a lot of TikTok videos. He's on Cameo, all that stuff. These are just free plugs. I'm not even making money off this. I mean, unless, Jacques, if you want to start sending me money, have at it, bro. Nonetheless, that's about it for this one. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's in your family and oddly and weirdly wants to become a circus performer. Do we have those? Wow. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.